Morris Press Cookbooks offers 3 ways to collect and submit your recipes. You may enter them using our online system TypenSave. We can typeset recipes for you, or you may send your cookbook pages to us, press ready. Let's review all 3 options. TypenSave is the fastest and easiest way to gather and submit your recipes. You'll be able to select your recipe page format and other page options such as recipe notes, fillers, subcategories. Plus, you can create all other parts of your cookbook, including cover, dividers, and personal pages. Simply go to www.typensave.com and create a free account. You'll receive an email with password and other information to get started. There are many benefits to using TypenSave. You'll save 25 cents per cookbook. Your account is available to all members so everyone can enter their own recipes at any time or place. This distributes the work and completes your cookbook more quickly. You can view a virtual proof or print a proof at any time to review and make changes or corrections. Your entire order can be sent online. Production time is only 20 to 25 business days. TypenSave is our most recommended method to create your cookbook. Try our free demo to see how easy it is to use. If you choose not to use TypenSave, we can typeset recipes for you. Our base prices include free typesetting of your recipes. To get started, you'll need recipe collection sheets, which are included in the starter material or can be printed from the download center of our website. Distribute them to your members and all other potential recipe contributors. The more contributors you have, the more books you will sell. On the back of the sheet are instructions for writing the recipes, a letter explaining the project, and an order blank if members want to pre-order. If you've already started entering recipes into a text document, you can submit a printout of your recipes. Other recipe forms are also accepted as long as all forms are the same size. If you receive recipes on cards, sheets, or forms of various sizes, tape each recipe onto an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper using only one side. Do not fold recipes to fit on the sheet. Next, review and edit the recipes for accuracy and sort them into categories. If you choose a full color stock divider set, you must use our standard category titles in the order shown. If you choose custom dividers, custom category titles can be used and placed in any order. Arrange the recipes within each category in the exact order you want them to be printed. You can further organize recipes by creating subcategories within each category. For example, desserts can be subcategorized into bars, pies, cakes, and so on. Label a sheet of paper with the subcategory title and place at the beginning of each group of recipes. Arrange recipes within subcategories in the exact order you wish to have them printed. Subcategories are an extra charge. Once all recipes are sorted, place them inside the recipe category envelopes included in your starter material, or you may use our recipe category sheets printed from the download center of our website to use with your own envelopes or folders. We'll typeset all your recipes exactly as they are submitted within our formats, and then carefully proof them for accuracy. Recipes formatted in steps, columns, or charts will be converted to your chosen format if possible. Otherwise, they will be omitted. Production time is 35 to 45 business days. If you want to design your own recipe pages, send them press ready. These are pages already designed and typeset that don't require any alterations by Morris Press Cookbooks. The quality of the press-ready material will determine the quality of your final printed pages, so it's important you follow the template and instructions in our press-ready cookbook pages guidelines found in our download center. You must submit all other cookbook pages press-ready, including the title page, personal pages, table of contents, index, and any other pages. Press-ready pages do not necessarily save you money. Due to our efficient use of space, you may end up with more pages than we would for the same number of recipes, resulting in higher printing costs. Press-ready cookbooks are priced by the number of pages, so use our Press Ready order form and pricing, which can be found in the Download Center. Press Ready cookbooks have a production time of 35 to 45 business days. Before sending your order, thoroughly proof and edit your recipes. Check for things like proper use of abbreviations and clear instructions. If you don't understand the recipe, chances are no one else will either. Also, make sure contributor names are spelled consistently. For similar or duplicate recipes, you may include all contributor names on one recipe. Check for recipe notes, which are an extra charge. If you do not want to include them, omit or cross them off. We do not edit or alter recipes submitted with TypenSave or Press Ready pages. If we typeset your recipes, we'll type them exactly as they are submitted. No matter which method you use to send your recipes, you'll always receive a free proof to approve before printing. Take time to make sure everything is the way you want before sending your order. Some corrections or changes on your proof may incur extra charges. If you have questions or need assistance, we're here to help you every step of the way. Our goal is to help you create a beautiful cookbook everyone will be proud to own. We provide all the ingredients for success.